Hi my dear friends, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. And then we are going to start the video. In this tutorial we will discuss that as another approach to creating unique design with shapes. Create repeating patterns using shapes, e.g. geometric, organic. Experiment with different shape combination and arrangements. Shape distortion. Use shape distortion touches techniques to create unique and interesting design. Experiment with different distortion method and settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.